Hey guys, so we just finished our, what is it, 34-week checkup? And guess what? We have a date.
Let's it.
I'm not sure who likes mangoes, but if you can hear all the breeze around me, we have a lovely tree here. I think it's East Indian and what you call this? Like Blackie or Hairy. Common, whatever you call this other one, common. So it's been blooming for a while, but look at what I'm seeing now. Not sure what's happening with this set. Not sure, but one start ripe right there. So one start ripe. So I'm hoping that by this weekend, I don't know, must get a mango from this must can ripe by weekend, right? And then hopefully the others would follow suit thereafter. I'm really an East Indian kind of guy. So yeah. Morning. Today is going to be an extremely busy day. Have to do a lot of run up and down, and Tina has to go to the doctor to make sure that everything is okay. Yeah, we just want to make sure everything is okay. But she can't really manage it up and down without AC in the car, and the AC stopped working about last week. So our first order of business is to get the AC sorted out, and then we can proceed to do all that we need to do today. Pick up some results, get her to the doctor and all that. So stay tuned. Oh, I'm so happy it wasn't the compressor. Man, relieved. It was just a relay problem. So I changed the relay for 2.5. He wanted to charge me 6.5 to change relay and gas AC, and he would have charged me to change air filter for AC filter. I was like, you know what? I can do those stuff. Just sort out the relay, change the relay, the AC blowing very cool. I can do my thing to the filter and get it gassed otherwise another time. I'm sure the gas no they not depend on E. So back up and running, cool, and we're good to go. Tina can go on the road in peace and safety and luxury. So now for the second stop, I'm at Therapeutic in Nago's Head, trying to get a foam for the babies. Really and truly, we're going to use a playpen, not a crib, because it would have been tired to get two babies in a crib. And we're not getting two cribs, so we're using a playpen, but it's kind of too low and too uncomfortable. So we're going to get a custom foam cutout so that we can sleep more comfortably and nice and cushy and high, something high enough that, you know, say they won't be too close to the floor and we don't have to be bending down too deep to get in there for them. So that's the second stop. So let's go. Yeah man, so we're at Therapeutic. Don't watch the sign, you see me? They're a good company. Not because they are missing. Therapeutic Caribbean Company Limited. Them still them thing, and them still going to be a big help for us. This is it. How firm is it? Oh, okay. And you would do the wrapping as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, this look like the right. Layla, baby, can I have one of your popcorn, please? Layla, me I do so, Layla, please. May I have one, please, just one. Layla, give me one.
Why are you coming like?
Layla, I beg you, give me one. Beg you, please. May I have one, please? Layla, may I have one, please? Layla.
Daddy.
Yes, may I have one, please?
Daddy.
Yes, may I have one, please?
Daddy.
Give me one. You should just give me a name of the ticket. Look how much popcorn you have. Zaza, why do you have one clothes? Can I have one, please? Can I have one, please, Zara? Thank you, baby. Thank you. Layla, can I get some popcorn, please?
Popcorn finish.
I know it finished, so where it gone? Who finished it? Mouth. Anna pretending to do work again. Just working, she on holiday.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we're in Crossroads now, picking up a test result from Microlabs, and then from here we're gonna head to Mail Pack. We have a delivery to collect with our baby stuff, and then after that we go to UWI Hospital for my 34-week checkup. Can you believe it? I am so happy to have made it to 34 weeks. Let me give you guys an update. So over the last couple of weeks it's been just rough. You know, I've been talking about that. The baby's getting big, so they're just pressing on every organ, and it's physically taxing. I've developed this heartburn issue all of a sudden, which I haven't had through the rest of the pregnancy, but I have it now, and it's just one of those things. So I am ready to get these babies out, but I know they need to bake for a few more weeks, so we're hoping and praying that they get to 37 weeks where they'll be what they call full term. They consider that full term or late preterm, which is good for them, because that means that their lungs are fully developed, which is what we want, which is why we don't want them to come too early, you know. So yeah, that's what we're about today. So I see Paul coming. He has gotten the test results, hoping that we have positive news there as well. My doctor, one of the things that he monitors for very carefully is preeclampsia, which is a risky thing for mothers with twin pregnancies. So here comes Paul with the test results.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi. Not sure what this means, so you have to go translate.
I have to translate. Just finished our 34-week checkup, and guess what, we have a date. So we are scheduled to do a planned C-section on the 19th of April,
Which is 3 days after my birthday.
yes.
16th of April.
So I'll be 37 weeks at that time, and yeah,
They'll be 37 weeks at that time.
well, the pregnancy will be at
Alright, not you.
37.
You're not 37 weeks. They'll be 37 weeks.
Them know what me I talk about.
Okay.
So anyway, everything went well today. We have an ultrasound to do just to measure how each of the babies are developing, and then after that we come back at That would be 36 weeks by the time we come back here. As you can see, we're still on the hospital compound. We haven't left yet.
The reason I'm not talking is because it just sounds serious. We set the date and it just feel like you're going a different gear of
I don't know what you were thinking. It was about to happen sometime.
But it's just like, he's like, all right, so we're going to choose this date. Okay, it's April 19. And we're going to come in on the Friday, do the COVID test,
Yeah,
and
we
we're
have
coming
COVID
on
test to
Sunday, and the next day is section. And he just make it sound so simple and, you know, boom, boom, boom.
It's supposed to be pretty straightforward though.
I think I need a drink tonight.
Or some ice cream.
Yeah, but everywhere I got a lot now. But yeah, it's getting real now, guys.
Yeah. So we have the last of our stuff to collect from mail pack. Hopefully
in the next 2 weeks. Within the next week and
but
so.
the critical stuff that we need for hospital and home, when they get home, when the babies get home, we have. And
so would I finalize today the crib mattress, the playpen mattress? We ordered that today.
That should be ready by early next week.
What else we did today? The AC on the car was fixed, so Tina can survive.
Thank the Lord.
What else I did today? I know collected some packages, a package from Mailpack, so on the way. Thank God.
Yeah.
Give them a scripture or give us a scripture. Give me a scripture to calm me down.
That you're going to need to calm me down?
To calm me down.
Well, the one that you always talk about.
No, a new scripture.
No, that one is good for all time.
Okay.
1 Thessalonians 5 16 to 18.
So if you don't know nothing else from this channel,
yes.
No, 1 Thessalonians 5 16 to 18. Rejoice always.
Pray always. Give thanks always.
Right?
So that's it from us, guys. So take care. We'll be doing another vlog for Good Friday.
Yeah, we're going to try to do a video, a song. We're going to try to do a cover on Friday. May not be anything as embellished like the Christmas medley, but...
Why are you telling the people that we embellish the songs? We never embellish no song.
No, as in the extravagance of the medley and transition from this to this and all that. So we're just going to keep it simple because she's breathing. I'm just going to...
Or not breathing. Haha, get it? Because I've been short of breath.
Wow. So I have to put up with guys. If you can give a corny joke, give a good corny joke.
I'm not even nearly as corny as this
guy. Give a good corny joke. So, yeah, Friday, we're going to put out something again. And then, hopefully on Sunday, but one day at a time. So,
Sunday?
Yeah.
Look here, I don't know about that schedule, but I will leave it to this guy.
Alright, so big up again. And go and pray for us. Alright? Love you and take care from me and
the house.
later.